that I had vending machines that I was buying from a different supplier, and it came hard to get parts. And when I did a bit of research, I came upon Omar, and Omar got me the parts nearly overnight. A machine that had been off for a couple of weeks, and I couldn't get a hold of the person I'd bought the machines off, and within 48 hours of talking to Omar, I had the part and the machine was back up and running on a busy site. So that was my introduction to Omar, which was life saving, well, site saving, as you might say, you know. Mm-hmm. So that was the first interaction with Omar. So it was very good, yeah. So at the moment, the machines, I'm kind of snack and beverage. That's all I kind of do. But we're in the process of buying some coffee machines. So we have 2 coffee machines ordered to add to sites that we already have snack and drinks on. So the machines that we have are kind of just your basic drink, which is cans, bottles, big, small, all different types, shapes and sizes. And then the snacks like bars, Snickers bars, Twix, Mars bars, and then crisps, all your McCoy's crisps and stuff, and Haribo's, just your basic snack and drink machines, and then obviously coffee machines on the way. So I started, like, since I'd come on with Omar, I haven't only started buying machines to get new sites. I started buying machines to add on. So I had machines, and I could buy slave machines to go onto my master machines. So instead of buying a machine, I just bought a slave machine, which is a small bit cheaper, but it means I didn't have to put an extra card reader on or an extra coin mech on. So I could double the size of my machines without the monthly cost or the cost of the buying the card reader or the coin mech. That's kind of it. Just trying to stick with one brand. Trying to stick with one brand was a big thing, because if something goes wrong with vending machines, as they do, I've dealing with lots of other brands, but trying to get the technical support as well, which is very good. If I can fix most stuff myself, if I don't know how to fix it, Omar's on hand, usually at the drop of a phone call, or he'll ring you back in 5 minutes, or you can ring one of his tech guys, and they'll talk you through how to do the basic stuff. When I say the basic stuff, the majority of stuff is fixable over the phone once you have any technical common sense at all. Very little even at that. They can talk you through the procedures. But if there's some stuff which I haven't been able to fix myself, probably in the last year on 3 occasions, I just simple as making a phone call, and they're on the phone. They help you straight away, and they can come, like the 3 problems I had, they're either out the same day or out the next day, which is, and it was very cost effective as well. So I know a lot of other places that I've dealt with, the cost of fixing the machines or getting somebody to come out and visit your site was in the hundreds of euros, where with Omar it wasn't. It was pretty cost effective and efficient. They were all fixed on the same day. It's just stuff that I probably wouldn't have checked myself, or bits that were broke that they could fix them and then order and then show you how to replace them yourself. I don't know if it was incorporating the machines into our business, but again, Omar, the owner of the business, seems to be the guy that you talk to on most occasions. So if I get a new site or I want to improve an existing site, he'll sit down and go through a plan with you. It's not necessarily buy this, buy that. He'll sit down and he'll come up with a plan for a machine that will suit that site, and go down the best route. So you're not necessarily just throwing money at things to increase your revenue. It's maybe you have a site that sells more drinks, maybe you have one that sells more snacks. Like I said previously, it can be as simple as adding a combi on. If you have a combi snack and drink, you could just be adding a drink machine onto the site, because that site could sell drinks more than it sells snacks. So you don't need more snacks on that site. So, and you don't have to buy a full master machine. You can just buy another slave. So you're increasing it with the least cost. You know, you're not wasting money. You're not putting in 2 machines. You can just be putting in a slave, whatever. Well, that's individual site needs more, you know. They've got a big display. Like, it's a big glass. You can see a lot of them. For me personally, they're easy to use. And they give very little trouble. So when you have them on a site and you're constantly ringing somebody to fix a machine, customers don't like that. So if you can, the machines I have got so far haven't caused me any hassle, you know. So, and like I said, like vending machines do give trouble. So if they do, there's somebody on the phone just to sort out the problem. Yeah. Look, it's again, if you're looking for a good quality brand that's going to give you minimal trouble and that looks good as well as a machine that performs good with the tech support and the good backup after buying the product, yeah, definitely it's a no-brainer, like, yeah.